kakam Lait Kumba Praspa Arpeulaitali Ha ka district East Khasi Hills district the Shillong in East Khasi Hills district Shillong invites online application from genuine citizen of India the kanigin hado Praspa Arpeulaitali ki post ki balait pila ban apply langba ko online daga pi visit ya kanika site website http kanik eastkhasihills.gov.in pila ban visit kani te pila ban apply na do ka artrik na do menin artrik te hado artrik September te last date bapin siu kolong santrik September te kani kedai ki post ki katukan ki post ki ba like tau nang kong ni ka bai ka post ka don Kumba santli ki post panang kong ka stenographer ka ba long class 12 pass ari ki class 12 but lai ki graduate di ka ni pat ka de ka pila ban apply ki class 12 Shaneng di ka don ka post ko ma santli you are sao but Khasi jantian karo way di ka tu ka pay level de ka pay level 8 the educational qualification class 12 pass lani graduate with certificate kini ki in stenography lani and certificate ya ka computer but kini ka ba pat ka post name of post lower division assistant typist kani pat ka de ka don ars pa arpeutali ki post ma kani ka LDA ka don Kumba ars pa arpeutali ki post te kibala ban apply kidai kibal dep yaga matriculation lani SSLC pass sejrong te ki UR kilong live healthly yagi Khasi jantia pat karo chispa pra phon rutli te kani kadai ka P level anta kani kadai P level 5 te katogen ha bandon ro egani ka certificate jong ka computer haka minimum speed ka pin ka typing jong pi kadai live WPM kadai ka typing speed ka jong pi kadai ban practice ba khanang ba anda kila test pi pin yo ban rong mo lagani pat ka ka post name of post gram sevak both male and female kani kadai live kondai tali but kani ka gram sevak only female kadon reo te to pile I hang to ya ki UR reo ki Khasi jantian karo live way te to este to artali te kani pat kalong P level jongka kadai 5 kani ro te educational qualification kadai matriculation Shaneng lani SLC class 10 pass ma every person appointed to the post will undergo the training for gram sevaks lani gram sevikas te kani pat ka serial number 4 kani ro ka name of post stenographer ka post ki don lightly te ka to UR but itu P level kadai 4 kani ro kadai class 10 Shaneng class 12 Shaneng pilaban apply kani pat ka serial number 5 kadai ka driver kompan rip hawai tali te qualification kini class 8 Shaneng pilaban apply kini class 8 pass with valid professional driving license pide bandone ka driving license but driving test along with medical eye check-up test will also conducted before the selection of the successful candidate kani pat ka UR ka don khadwai tali yaki UR khadwai yaki Khasi jantian karo san tali ka P level jongka kadai 3 lai mo ani pat serial number 6 enumerator ki post kilong kidon Kumba khalai tali te yaka UR artli ya Khasi jantia an karo kadai khalbai tali kani ka educational qualification kadai matriculation kamot class 10 Shaneng SLC pass kani pat ka banyo kadai ka forest guard ki post ki don Kumba san phau khandai tali tega Kita ki phela I categories break up. Kita ki EQR kita ki Khasi jantia and karo kadai sabi ko dai to ka pay level kadai tu. Te kani mungkin paper kani ka page 2 ma. Te page educational qualification kadai SSLC pass above. Age limit kadai khat phara do lai pheo as government OM number per kon to ter te height ki male kadai kom to female kom to phla ban page kani minimum height for candidate belong to SCS male is 152 cm and female 145 cm ma tingin page serial number 8 kani pat kadai ka number of post kadai ka name of post to grade 4 kani pat kadai kadon hado saus pa khanyo tali ki post ya ki UR nyo phone rio pat ya ki Khasi jantian karo last pa la phawla tali inclusive of 2 nodes of PW kini kidai kitu ki badon jing tu nama te kapi level jangka kadai 1 kapi level jangka kadai 1 as per received pay structure educational qualification for all grade 4 categories kani kadai class 6 Shaneng dai ban pass yaka class 6 Shaneng phla ban apply yakani ta ka age limit khat phra do lai phawar te but kan upper age limit is relaxable by 5 years til kan don ro kani ka 5 years relaxable te phla ban apply yaki tangi ka SC and lani ST EGSD age limit for post under exercise registration taxation stamp and forest and environment home police and civil kini kida ki ba phi happen ready ma te komta ter te reservation of vaccines the reservation of vaccines is as per as extended reservation vaccine in service leni post under the state government of Meghalaya te kani ka payment ikani kadai application may pay the fee of Rs 100 te ki ST wat ki SC kilong sanpheu da ba phi pendon kam da ki online mode da kini ki mode phila man pendon kam da ka debit card ni net banking e-chan lani UPI phila ban pay lang ba kitaro phila ban pay lang kini ki post da phila apply kini ki dagi instruction nam tagi nong apply candidate are required to register themselves with district selection committee DSC phia ban register shwa ya ha DSC na kani website https://eastkhasihills.gov.in phia ban click ni phia ban dial kini click te phia ban register shwa ila de yaki bampat de register ha kani ka DSC district selection committee. A unique application code will generate for each of the post application. The kini ka district selection committee will not accept any application submitted by hard copy. Incomplete application will be summarily rejected and no further correspondence will be in. Kim priang rada ki hard copy mo. Namar bakila anda ka online mode. But skawero ka district selection committee has introduced online payment using SBI collect, whereas candidate can pay the fee either through the internet banking, card payment, or the payment kini kadai ba ki ba pensil mdai daga cash pia pensil lang ba kini ki online. The candidate has to upload recent color passport size photograph in JPG format tang daga JPG phimla upload giwe pan along with the signature ka pia pan dan signature kom kani ka dor hang nei ba ki ai. The digital size of each file must be less than hatang san pheu kb ma to ka size jang dor jang phi. Request for change or correction is in any particular in the application form shall not be entertained under any circumstance. The DSCH Khasi Hills will not be responsible for any consequent raising phi hapet bha yo bakala ka form yo markim yo bakala kuno ka janjar den ma te candidate must appear for the written test interview as his or her own expense. Selected candidate must be willing to serve in any place of posting in or outside the state of Meghalaya in the interest of the government. Kitu kita ki kini ki instruction ki ba pen I ki ba yep kanang ba pintim te tangkom to hi te ye kaling ba pin check so kini ki detail ngan bo harum haga description mo te nang kersan nang subscribe ni ki channel nang wan ra so pi ki jing tip kom kini pat ki pat te tangkom to hi ko flash bon
wat pat skip sikawai pat video lani wat pat pe lani wat pat pengkod ini video andon bani thoi pi kublai sipon yegi ji karsan pi nang karsan so ena daga pi subscribe pi like kom kachin ai mesin ma katangin kadai chi akwa bani thoi pi kublai sipon